how you doing? You in a palace or house in ruin? All struggle, no doubt, we're human, but we grinding out solutions. Inner peace can be elusive when following dreams so ruthless, but family be crucial. Can see that I've been clueless to the truest of epiphanies. A switching you to my centerpiece to come renew that energy. Be mutual dependency. Still love my bruised up memories. Cigar fumes and Hennessy. Drafted a new itinerary, blueprint for future legacy. So hold on, I'm steering. Strength has come.